The Nigeria film industry, most often referred to as Nollywood, is the largest movie industry in Africa. In this video we are going to list the 30 greatest Nollywood actors who have contributed to the growth and promotion of Nollywood through their acting career.
Number 30. Messi Johnson Okoje, born on the 28th of August 1984, is a Nigerian actress, film director and film producer. She went to a Rivers State Secondary School for her secondary education in addition to the Nigerian Navy Secondary School in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Right after her secondary education, she auditioned for a role in the movie, titled The Maid, and subsequently acted in other movies such as Hustlers, Baby Oku in America, and War in the Palace. Okoje is ranked number 30 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 29. Don Brimo Ochebo, 1966 to 2023. Ochebo was a popular Nigerian actor, movie producer, scriptwriter and singer. He originally hailed from Anambra State, southeastern part of Nigeria. He was one of the most sought-after Nigerian actors. He proved his versatility at interpreting any role given to him. Don Brimo started acting back in secondary school days where he was involved in stage plays and dramas. He came through professionally after joining the Nigerian movie industry in 2000. He starred in over 80 Nollywood movies such as My Beloved Daughter, Snake Battle, Land of Fire, No Mercy, My God Never Sleeps, and so on. He received numerous awards, such as Best Actor in a Lead Role at the City People Entertainment Awards, Most Prominent Actor in Nigeria at the Africa Movie Academy Awards, Best Supporting Actor at the Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards. Ochebo is ranked number 29 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates like this. Number 28. Samuel Dede Toku, popularly known by his stage name, Sam Dede, born on the 17th of November 1965, is a Nigerian veteran actor, director, politician and lecturer. Sam Dede, as he is widely known in movies, studied theatre arts at the University of Port Harcourt. He entered the Nollywood industry in 1995 and rose to prominence for his role in the film Ijele. In 2005, Dede won the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role for his performance in the 2004 film The Mayors. Dede is ranked number 28 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 27. Omotola Jalade Ekinde, MFR, born Omotola Jalade, the 7th of February 1978, is a Nigerian actress, singer, philanthropist and former model. Since her Nollywood film debut in 1995, Ekinde has appeared in over 300 films, selling millions of copies. Omotola is the second Nigerian and first Nigerian celebrity to receive over 1 million likes on her Facebook page. Ekinde is ranked number 27 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 26. Ebele Okoro was born on the 19th of January 1964 in London and raised in Enugu, Nigeria. She was a prominent Nigerian actress and movie producer. She began acting while attending primary school. Over the years, Okoro has contributed immensely to the growth of Nollywood. She has become known as the Mama of Nollywood and has earned the respect of both fans and colleagues. Okoro is ranked number 26 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 25. Richard Mofe Evans, M Damijo, born the 6th of July 1961, popularly known as RMD, is a Nigerian actor, writer, producer, lawyer, and former journalist. He was also a former commissioner for culture and tourism in Delta State in 2009. In 2005, he won the Africa Delta Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role. He received a Lifetime Achievement Award at the 12th Africa Movie Academy Awards in 2016. Damijo is ranked number 25 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 24. Emeka Monago, the 20th of August 1962 to the 24th of March 2024, was a Nigerian actor, producer and comedian. He was nominated for the 2017 Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards for Best Actor. Born in Obosi, Anambra State, a state in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He joined the Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood in 1998 and had starred in many movies including Taboo 1, 1989, Aki and Popo, Karishika, 1998, and Aki na Ukwa, 2002, Igodo, 1999. Monago is ranked number 24 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all time. Number 23. Alex Osifo, born the 16th of April 1953, is a veteran Nigerian actor. His acting career kicked off in 1984, when he played a major role in the telemovie, The Return of the Native. He took lead roles in Natas and Took People. He started attending NTA, Victoria Island to take part in the weekly series At Your Service. He was part of NTA Productions, Echoes of Life, and Turning Wheel, between 1984 and 1987. Osifo is ranked number 23 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 22. Kelvin Ugozi Ikeduba, born the 21st of August 1976, in Lagos, to Igbo parents. He is a Nigerian actor and comedian, who in 2014 won the award for Best Crossover Actor at the Yoruba Movie Academy Award, YMAA, and he is predominantly known for his diversity in the Nigerian movie industry, as he has been featured in Nollywood movies where the English language is commonly used in their productions, and also has been featured in diverse Yoruba-only speaking movies produced by the Yoruba movie industry of Nigeria. Ikeduba is ranked number 22 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 21. Ugozi Ezeonu. Ugozi Ipelui, born May 23, 1965, is a veteran Nigerian actress and former journalist, notable for her portrayal of archetypal matriarchs in Nollywood movies. In 2012, she starred in Adesuwa, a role that earned her the Best Supporting Actress nomination at the 8th Africa Movie Academy Awards. Ezeonu is ranked number 21 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 20. Enebeli Elebuwa, 1946-2012, was a Nigerian actor. Elebuwa was born in the northern part of Delta State. He is an Okwani Igbo, by origin from Isunpe quarters of Utabauno in Idokwa West local government area of Delta State. Enebeli Elebuwa is a Nigerian prolific actor who has over 130 movies to his credit. Elebuwa is ranked number 20 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 19. Desmond Elliot, born the 4th of February 1974, is a Nigerian actor, director, and politician. He was elected as a lawmaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Surulere constituency, in the 11th of April 2015 Nigerian general elections. Elliot was influenced by a friend to become an actor. He started playing roles in soap operas like Everyday People, One Too Much, and Saints and Sinners. He is one of Nollywood's leading actors, having appeared in over 200 films, including Men Who Cheat, Yahoo Millionaire, and Atlanta in 2006. Elliot is ranked number 19 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 18. Ejike Asi-Ebu. Ejike Asi-Ebu is a Nigerian film actor and film director, who once served as president of the Actors Guild of Nigeria. He was also previously appointed as personal assistant to former Biafran leader, General Dim Emeka Ojukwu, during the 1994 National Constitutional Conference in Abuja. Ejike Asi-Ebu joined the Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood, in 1996 and acted in his first movie, Silent Night, a movie that brought him to limelight. He acts mostly in action movies along with Pete Edochie, Clem Ohameze, Kanayo Okanayo, and Kenneth Okono. Asi-Ebu is ranked number 18 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 17. Clem Ohameze. Clem Ohameze is a veteran Nigerian actor with 2 decades in acting. Clem Ohameze started professional acting in 1995. But his breakthrough role was in 1999 when he featured in a big-budget movie titled End Time. He has acted in over 500 movies in his 20-year career, spanning 1995 to date. Ohameze is ranked number 17 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all time. Number 16. Zachi Ama Orji, born 1960, is a Nigerian actor, director, producer, and filmmaker, known for his role in Nollywood movies, Glamour Girls, and Blood Money. Aside from acting, Orji is a preacher. Orji has starred in different movies and is now a Nollywood legend. Orji is ranked number 16 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 15. Kenneth Okono, born November 6, 1968, is a veteran Nigerian actor, lawyer and politician, known for his role in the movie, Living in Bondage as Andy Okeke. In 2013, he won the Africa Movie Academy Award on a special recognition of Pillars of Nollywood. In 2015, he was given a special recognition award by the organizers of the City People Entertainment Awards for his contribution to the growth of entertainment in Nigeria. Okono is ranked number 15 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 14. Kanayo Modestus Onyekwere, popularly known as Kanayo or Kanayo, born the 1st of March 1962, is a Nigerian veteran actor and lawyer. In 2006, he won the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role for his performance in the movie, Family Battle. Kanayo started his acting career in 1982, acting in productions by the Nigerian Television Authority. He made his debut movie appearance in the year 1992 in the film Living in Bondage. Kanayo is ranked number 14 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 13. Ugoezu Jide Ofo Ugoezu, professional known as Ugoezu J. Ugoezu, is a Nigerian director, actor, screenwriter and producer. Ugoezu is also a high-life composer and singer. Ugoezu J. Ugoezu has been active in the Nollywood industry since 2000, and has starred in more than 100 movies. Ugoezu writes, stars or directs movies that focused on the promotion of Igbo culture and tradition. Ugoezu is ranked number 13 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 12. Justus Akpan, the 20th of November 1942 to the 19th of February 2013, was a Nigerian actor, generally considered to be one of the pillars of Nollywood, with an acting career that goes way back to the 1960s. He came into prominence for his role in the popular Nigerian Television Authority TV series The Village Headmaster and the film adaptation of Chinua Achebe's book, Things Fall Apart, where he played the role of Obiarika. He won Best Actor Award at the 9th Africa Movie Academy Awards posthumously for his role in Assassin's Practice, and was also honored as the inaugural recipient of the Goodluck Jonathan Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2013 Nollywood Movies Awards. The Nigerian government honored him with several national honors, with the highest being an Officer of the Order of the Niger (OON), for his contribution to the development of filmmaking in Nigeria. Justus Akpan is ranked number 12 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 11. John Ikechukwu Okafor, the 17th of October 1961 to the 2nd of March 2024, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, was a Nigerian veteran actor and comedian. He appeared in over 200 Nollywood films, including those from the Mr. Ibu series. Ibu is ranked number 11 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 10. Sam Loco Efe, the 25th of December 1945 to the 7th of August 2011. Sam Loco Efe Monkieke was born in Enugu to Edo parents, though he grew up in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. He was a Nigerian actor, producer and director. Sam Loco Efe is one of the most talented actors in the Nigerian movie industry. He has for many years distinguished himself as a rare talent for both television and stage drama. Sam Loco is ranked number 10 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 9. Ramsey Noah, born Ramsey Tokunbo Noah Jr. on the 19th of December 1970, is a Nigerian actor and director. He won the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role in 2010 for his performance in the movie The Figurine. He made his directorial debut with the film Living in Bondage, Breaking Free in 2019, and also went on to direct Nollywood classic Rattlesnake. Noah is ranked number 9 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times.
Number 8. Patience Ozokwo, born the 14th of September 1958. Patience Ozokwo, otherwise known as Mama J, is a renowned Nigerian Nollywood actress, a television personality, fashion designer, and a musician. She won the Best Supporting Actress 2012 and 2013 award at the 10th Africa Movie Academy Awards. She is known for taking the role of a wicked woman in some of her movies. Patience Ozokwo was among the top 100 Nigerians honored by the government to celebrate the amalgamation of the Northern and Southern Protectorate in 2014. Ozokwo is ranked number 8 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times.
Number 7. Chinedu Ikedieze. Chinedu Ikedieze, MFR, born the 12th of December 1977, is a Nigerian actor, entrepreneur and investor. He is best known for playing alongside Osita Iheme in the 2002 film Aki na Ukwa. He has featured in over 150 films in a career spanning over 20 years. Ikedieze is ranked number 7 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 6. Genevieve Unaji, born on the 3rd of May 1979, is a Nigerian actress, producer, and director. She won the African Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role in 2005, making her the first actor to win the award. In 2011, she was honored as a member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR, by the Nigerian government for her contributions to Nollywood. Unaji is ranked number 6 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 5. Nkem Owo. Nkem Owo was born in Enugu State, Nigeria. Owo began acting in various television and film productions. Nkem Owo, popularly known by his stage name Osofia, was born on the 7th of February 1958 in Enugu State, Nigeria. He is legendary Nigerian actor and comedian. He is one of those actors who contributed immensely in making Nollywood what it is today. Osofia is ranked number 5 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 4. Osita Iheme, MFR, born on the 20th of February 1982, is a veteran Nigerian actor, producer, and author. He is widely known for playing the role of Popo in the film Aki na Ukwa alongside Chinedu Ikedieze. Osita Iheme is the founder of Inspired Movement Africa, which he founded to inspire, motivate and stimulate the minds of young Nigerians and Africans. In 2007, Iheme received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the African Movie Academy Awards. He is considered to be one of Nigeria's most famous actors. In 2011, Osita Iheme was honored as a member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR, by President Goodluck Jonathan. Osita Iheme is ranked number 4 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 3. Chiwetalu Agu, born 1956, is a Nigerian actor. He won the 2012 Nollywood Award for Best Actor in Indigenous Movie, Non-English Speaking Language. His usage of specific language slangs, phrases or clichés in many films has made him uniquely a household name in Nigeria and among Nollywood fans in general, while asserting that comic genres is a unique vehicle in projecting Nigerian culture globally, as well as establishing the Nollywood brand. Agu is listed as one of the outstanding comedians who have contributed to the development of Nollywood comic genres. Agu is ranked number 3 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 2. Olu Jacobs, born on the 11th of July 1942, known professionally as Olu Jacobs, is a Nigerian actor and film executive. He has starred in several British television series and international films. Olu Jacobs has been hailed by many as one of the greatest and most widely respected African actors of his generation. Together with Pete Edochie, he is considered by several media, film commentators, critics, and other actors to be one of the most influential African actors of all time, and is widely regarded as a cultural icon. He is seen as the bridge between the old actors and the new ones. Olu Jacobs is ranked number 2 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times. Number 1. Chief Pete Edochie, born on March 7, 1947, is a veteran Nigerian actor. Edochie is considered one of Nigeria's most talented actors, being honored with an Industry Merit Award by Africa Magic and Lifetime Achievement by Africa Film Academy. Although a seasoned administrator and broadcaster, he came into prominence in the 1980s when he played the lead role of Okonkwo in a Nigerian Television Authority adaptation of Chinua Achebe's all-time best-selling novel, Things Fall Apart. Edochie descends from the Igbo people of Nigeria and is a Catholic. In 2003, he was honored as a member of the Order of the Niger by President Olusegun Obasanjo. Edochie is ranked number 1 in our list of 30 greatest Nollywood actors of all times.